What if you have like 100 extra customers that came in that you didn't expect? What do you do?
I love the lamb. The lamb is just so juicy.
We always get, alhamdulillah, the first check, we always get the green signal.
It's really good.
If I impress you with the food is good, everything, but I not make it a good food or not good meat, oh, I answer my Allah.
Explorers, welcome to Dining Discoveries with Laylo once again, and we are going to be exploring something in the heart of Mississauga, Ontario today. This restaurant is called Badshah Grill. Badshah means king, and let's check out what kind of king lives behind this palace. Come follow me. Banquet hall here. Assalamu alaikum, Brother Nadeem. Thank you so much for having us at your restaurant, Badshah Grill. And I would like to ask you a few questions. We'd like to know more about you and your restaurant. How did you come about with the idea of Badshah Grill? And how did everything start? Like, how many years ago? It's very interesting to the viewers.
Actually, the first came in Canada, I started the work in Dixie and Pizza Hut. There's many things I do that. After that, I think it's 2006, I started the restaurant field in Toronto I started from in the Kabul Express. We decided in the Church and Dundas Street in Toronto.
You own that restaurant?
Yeah,
oh.
Used to I own that, but I gave to my partner and I shift in Mississauga. So I put my own name is like in Badshah Grill, and I started I think almost 6 years in this location.
At S5R Productions, we put the focus on your brand. I'm not a monster. I'm just ahead of the curve. You want to stay ahead of the curve? Stick with my team of videographers, editors, and scriptwriters who's going to bring your vision to the public. Join a winning team. Join S5R Productions so that we could bring your brand into focus.
Alhamdulillah, I have a good response. People love it. People the regular coming, the beginning to until today, people still, the old people is coming from, and they're like in beginning to until today.
Wow, beautiful.
My regular customer, my all meat is coming from Iqbal food.
Oh, beautiful.
Alhamdulillah, we selling is a good thing. Bring is good thing. I selling is good thing.
Giving good quality food, right?
Like we no compromise with the quality. It's I work all thing in the kitchen. I work my heart. It's like, and I deliver the good food. It's good response.
And also, I was really amazed that you cook your own dishes. You're a chef, right? You're the main chef there.
Me and my brother.
You and your brother are the main chefs there. Yeah. And you were saying, like, when I said, do you want a franchise? You're like, then the quality would get compromised. You were saying that means that much heart you put into cooking your dishes. It's beautiful that much you care about the quality of the food, right?
If the especially the Pakistani food, its control is very, very important. Even same thing, the other guy make it, not flavor is coming in the same, or like which I make them myself. No, this is like, and you said that what are you planning to like franchise? I'm not ready yet right now, but maybe in the future. The first of all, I control is my food. What I eat it myself, I deliver to my customer. If I don't eat it, I never deliver to my customer. I throw it the garbage.
Beautiful.
I give to answer my Allah.
That's true.
My focus is that way. I don't know, maybe other people focus, I don't know. Allah is watching everywhere.
That's true.
We know no compromise. That's why you no compromise.
You don't compromise on the quality, yeah?
Yes. If I impress you, and the food is good, everything, but I not make it a good food or not is like good meat, how I answer my Allah?
That's true.
If my heart is accept that, then I deliver it. Otherwise, I can't.
Beautiful.
That's the main key. You know, I bring in the halal rizq for my kids.
Yes.
We never compromise.
That's beautiful.
We need a halal. Doesn't matter, it's a little bitter. We are satisfied.
Yes.
We sleep very well. We are healthy. Is great. It's no problem.
Of course, that's the main thing, right? For Muslims, like you give the best, whatever
I try to all the time.
You do for yourself, you do for others.
All the time try. I work hard. Allah gave me end of the shift. Give me a halal thing. Alhamdulillah.
Of course,
we are satisfied.
that's
My
important.
kids is healthy. Family is good. It means
That's the most
we going
important.
to right track.
That's beautiful.
Anything and the end gonna tell you like you did it wrong or right.
And the last question is, how did you come up with the idea Badshah? Why Badshah Grill?
Actually, you know, this is like a very tricky, like, and actually my father name is Badshah, right?
Oh, his father.
Yeah, my father name.
Okay. Because some viewers are not Urdu speakers, they wouldn't understand what Badshah means. Badshah means king, right?
Yeah.
Where do you see your restaurant like 5 to 10 years down the road? What do you think you will be doing with your restaurant? New things?
Yeah.
Any new plans for your restaurant?
We right now, you know, it's control for the quality control. We focus that. When we are 100% sure is if we my quality like and control it, then I take a plan.
To open another?
Yeah, other one. But it's many people come us like you know, they give me the second location. I say we're not ready yet to the entry.
Oh, for the franchise,
Yeah,
right?
franchise.
They come to ask.
If it's an entry ready, then I will not.
I get such good vibes from you that you're doing everything so much with your heart. And I would love to try some of your foods today so that we could tell the viewers and show up your skills. And I would love to see behind the scenes and check out your kitchen, how you prepare some of your best dishes.
No problem.
Let's go show me some of your skills then, Brother Nadeem.
Yeah, no problem.
So now Uncle is gonna take us to their kitchen, their workplace. Look at the guys, they're just uniformed and it's so beautiful, very friendly staff. This is Uncle's, oh, the kitchen is pretty big, right? So you make fries over here, right?
Yeah, fries here.
There's so many of them, non-making food.
Yeah.
As soon as they order, you make
Like
fresh.
I give us an order, I make me start.
What is it for? It's just with salad?
Or salad, yeah.
So now Tayyip is gonna explain us the whole process.
So now what we're doing is we have a live order that is going on for the tables, customers sitting outside.
Yeah.
So this is tandoori chicken that we are making.
Beautiful.
These are 3 different kinds of chicken. This is tandoori chicken, this is chicken malai, and the chicken madras. That is really tikka. Different types of temperature here. This side is high temperature and this side is low temperature. So once it's cooked, like 50%, then it comes here.
Oh, let's see. What are they cooking? They're cooking.
You can see here, this is chicken kadai that is being prepared
Why is it on the ice?
because it's hot here, right?
Oh.
So then it doesn't, like, consistency is very thick. We want it to be thick.
Oh.
Because of the heat, it can become, you can just bite it off. So you can keep it on the ice.
What are you making, Uncle?
This is Lahori chole he's making. This is our signature dish of restaurant. The taste we give, you won't find it anywhere else. I'll bet you on that.
Oh, really?
We have different kinds of oil also in here. So they know which oil goes in what. Each and every naan is freshly baked and done. So you can see, we make it fresh.
They have ready-made and then they make bread out of them, I think. Yeah, this is dough for their bread. Look at that, how he makes the naan. Look at the process. How long you've been making naan here? 20 years? Oh wow, this guy's been making naan for 20 years. That's crazy. Oh, mashallah, that's awesome. Oh. Okay, now I see. What is it called? What is this round thing called?
You can call it a naan pillow.
Naan. You see it started bubbling up. If you come this way, like you'll see it started bubbling up.
It's ready.
Oh wow.
Hot and ready. Now this straight away goes to the customer.
Oh, straight to the customer.
These are 2 different breads here. This is naan and this is roti.
Oh, okay.
You start from and that I can deliver for the fact.
Oh, they're delivering. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go there.
This rice also that you can see, our rice especially becomes very soft.
You guys will be just having the freshest, softest rice, but the secret is not gonna be revealed. What if you have like 100 extra customers that came in that you didn't expect and you ran out of all the ingredients? What do?
We have backup for that. And that backup is this man and that man. Until and unless they are our support. They tell you, don't worry, you just go ahead. Go ahead and take the customers. Serving them good food and fresh food is our job. We'll do it. So they know how to, handle things.
And one of the owners is this brother, right? What's your name, brother?
My name is Shaquille.
And you were one of the owners of the restaurant, right? And you cook with your brother, right, in the kitchen?
We work together. Yeah.
How many years you've been doing all?
This is it's more than 14 years. Yeah, that's right.
You love cooking, eh?
It's my hobby. Honestly, that's my passion. I fun to cook.
If you run out of all the ingredients, let's say, too many people came, you're gonna send somebody, let's say like at 10 o'clock, all the stores are closed. What do?
I always have my backup. Always. I keep my backup. This business only backup.
Can you make us lamb chops with your hands so that we could see the way you make it?
Yeah, sure. Just give me a second.
Let's go follow the brother. He's gonna make us lamb chops.
The best part about him is, what I like, he's no chef. He's not learned it from someone. No classes taken.
That's wonderful. Now I can't wait to try some of those dishes that are getting ready just for us. Let's see how it tastes, right? Like, because we've seen like everything is freshly baked, freshly made. Do they live up to our expectations or not? Let's just try it. Give it a try, right? I'm super excited that this very show and upcoming shows are sponsored by my very own business, Laylo's Delectable Candles. And I have absolutely gorgeous candles and many other items that are in the theme of desserts, as I love desserts a lot. So check out my website at laylosdelectable.ca and make your loved ones happy for any occasion. Thank you. Abdullah is the son of one of the owners.
We always get, alhamdulillah, first check, we always get the green signal.
Oh.
This is like the green certificate that they give.
Oh, they have those things?
Yeah, so every restaurant has to post it in the front. So that's just like PO Health in general, they have the requirements, so they come unannounced too.
Okay.
So that's why we're like.
Now let's go and review the food that they made for me. I don't know, I'll start with anything and let us know.
Maybe you should start first.
Yeah, let's try it. Beef and chicken grills. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Sweat out. Tastes very good. Oh my god, the spices are burst of spices in my mouth. It's very juicy, actually. Very nice. Oh, I love it.
This tastes like we had it kebab flavoring
Oh yeah.
on lamb chop.
Oh really?
Yeah, it was like very good.
I love this kebab. The sauce is so awesome. Oh my god. I don't know what kind of sauce is that. I really want to try this lamb chop.
Very juicy. Very juicy.
Oh, so good too. Oh my god, their lamb chops are very soft, eh?
You got the fatty part, which is what I love the most.
Oh my god, it tastes really good actually. As you guys saw, they make in-house freshly baked naan. So good. Oh, look how beautiful this one is. Filled with sesame seeds. Oh, it smells so good. It's called preference. Oh my god.
So guys, the reviews, they're factual. Okay, they're not just made up. They're factual reviews. This is really good stuff.
This chicken is so good. Okay.
Love the lamb.
Yeah, it was well. I'm not a big curry type, but man, this one is so good.
So the yogurt here, guys, is made in-house.
That's awesome.
It happens back home. It doesn't quite happen over here. So it's pretty unique that they're doing that.
That's awesome.
Find it in the
Yeah. One of the best restaurants that we've been so far, right? All the food tastes really good. And I also like barbecue tonight as well. But this one is really good. It's just such a yummy. I'm being very honest here, not because I'm hungry, but they really, because I'm used to eating organic, natural food at home. I make everything from scratch. And I'm telling you guys, the food is one of a kind. It's really good. You guys have to come and try out their food. It's so good. I loved everything that I tried so far. It's awesome. It's beautiful. And thank you so much for treating us to a nice lunch.
We got the tandoori.
Oh,
I need the tandoori.
oh shoot.
Okay, let's review the tandoori.
Oh, okay, let's review the tandoori.
I'm gonna grab this sesame naan. I try this. Let's see. I wonder if you see this. Nonetheless, though, it's pretty awesome.
Oh, their tandoori is very good.
Yeah.
Their chicken is very soft too. You guys did amazing.
365 days of the year, these guys are open. So, 10 to 12 every day. Every day, right?
Yep.
Every day, 10 to 12.
So our Isha is bringing some desserts. And what are you doing?
This is basically kulfa faluda. So it has kulfa in it, ice cream, pistachios, sevai, basil seeds in it, and it's loaded with sweetness. Yeah.
And what are the other ones?
The other one is basically ferni. It's like a traditional Pakistani dish made with rice, milk, pistachios, saffron in it a little bit.
These look amazing.
Yeah. Thank you.
They look beautiful. Okay, let's see what our kiddos are gonna say about the delicious yummy desserts.
Soft taste, then it's a 10 out of 10. It tastes really good.
What kind of flavor is that?
It's strawberry. I think that the drink is a 10 out of 10 because I love drinking those like cold drinks type of thing.
Abdul, did you like it?
Yeah, then
Yeah, I'm gonna give another review. Okay. You like it, Bashira?
yeah.
Bando, what did you like?
Oh,
Yummy? Is it yummy or no?
This is called kheer. It has pistachios, and I want to see how it tastes. It's kind of like rice pudding, but desi style. So let's see how it goes.
okay.
It's really tasty. Like it's nice and not so sweet. It's like just about right with the sweetness level, and the pistachios on top goes really well. So and the consistency is really good because sometimes you get too thick, sometimes you get too thin. The consistency here is pretty good. So all the stuff here, pretty good.
So this is basically classic brownie with ice cream. This is the most ordered dessert for the kids. If there's kids on the table, we know like they will be ordering this.
That looks so proper. My kids are gonna love it for sure. Try it. Let us know, Ruthie.
That was really good. That tastes so good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. Really.
Well, explorers, another beautiful discovery came to an end, and I enjoyed everything here in this Badshah Grill restaurant, from the food to the host to everything, you can name it. An experience was amazing for me. If you guys are ever in Mississauga, Ontario, I definitely recommend checking out this spot, as you will be getting from scratch, freshly made everything basically, and you're gonna love it. Trust me. Until next time, see you guys.